2016 Dodge Dart. Let's make a key. First we cut the key in the 3D Elite. Now the key is done. Let's go try it. First, we're going to check our cuts and see if it works. Works like a champ. There we go. This is what we get. Time to hook up the 608. Okay, let's try and program this thing. Obviously, you can tell that the car is upset. So let's try and see if we can get this. We got a Dodge. We're gonna let it find itself. Automatic. Okay. Let's see if we can get this alarm shut off. And we got a FOBIK 2015 Dart. Turn the ignition off. Turn the hazards on. Let's check this out. Boom. Hazards are on. Let's hit OK. So we got the passcode. I already have that. We're going to go to hot function. Let me put it back up here. We got all keys lost. Let's go ahead and start it. This feature will remove all the keys. That's okay. So now it's running the system through the system here. Entered the system successful. 3 keys. We've already ran the pin code. We're going to skip the pin code reading. Are you sure you want to erase all 3? Yes, we have all keys lost right now. The other key completely failed on them. So we can't add a key because we don't have a working key. So now we have 0 keys. I have a new key, so it's going to want us to enter that in. 0 keys. Do you want to learn the first key? Yes. And we still have our new key in there. Waiting 29 seconds. Boom. 1 key is successful. Do you want to learn the next key? I'm going to try yes. And I'm going to see if we can remove and if we can put the old key back in. Let's see if something just went wacky. Hit OK. It'll tell us right now if something's failed on that key because it won't enter it. Oh, and I turned it on. I don't know if I was supposed to. Oh, it says yes. Okay. So no, we don't want to do a second key. And now we should have success. But that being said, see the red light still going right there. So let's take that key out. Put the first key in. Let me start it. Boom. So we have ignition. Lights are still on. Let's try this real quick. Hit the remote. Lock, unlock works good. Let's try the old remote. Okay, the lock works, the unlock does not work. Or the lock doesn't work, the unlock does. Let's see if that starts. Still shows a security light. See if that goes off. It did. Boom, starts back up. So now we have, again, 2 working keys. But that being said, the unlock or the lock on that key does not work. Unlock works on the original key. And here, lock, unlock on that. Everything works. That was a successful 2015 15 Dodge Dart.